These trails are wrecked. I haven't been out here in like a month and people have just been tearing it up. It rained a bunch, so of course people got to come out here and play in the mud. And it is, yeah, I need some help. But I rebuilt this hip, the lip of this hip. Jeez, man, that's really messing with my head. Rebuilt the lip of this hip, and it's looking pretty sweet now. It's a little steeper. It's not formed the best. Kind of rushed it. But we'll see how it hits. And then I have a new cameraman. I'll introduce you in a moment. Is this thing on? God, I have to cross my eyes to see the screen that close. Oh, that felt sweet. I almost let out an old mama. Try to use those sparingly. Alright, I'm gonna play with my new cameraman here. What? An Impulse Bot, a Hover 1. It's a little autonomous drone. The battery's not in it, but it's got a camera on it and it'll follow you. As long as you don't go too fast. I've only done like test shots with it. Let's see what we can get for the channel, but the test shots were sweet. I was like, I couldn't believe it. And I feel like I manifested this thing because I used to dream about having something like this. You don't have to hold the camera, it can follow you around. I mean, it's not quite where I'd want it, but it's the first one of its kind that I've seen. Hey, be careful how you squeeze it, I don't want to break it. Oh dude, I got the caffeine jitters. It's got different modes on it. Check that out, it's so cool. It talks to me like a little British lady. I turned that off, but it's like, I don't really care what you want. Alright. Check this thing out. Here we go. It takes off from your hand, lands on your hand. Let's do it. So I have it set to be as far away as the settings will allow, so it doesn't crash into me. I can't really go faster than 20. In my testing, it gives up after that. Well, it's still on me. Don't lose me now. Dude, no way, it stayed with me? Oh, that's so cool. Alright, come here. No, come here. Show them how you land, darling. Beautiful. Now, there's also an app for this thing. Not that it's sponsored or anything, but where I can actually capture audio using a noise canceling algorithm that this thing has. So that's pretty cool. Or I guess the app has. Alright, let's ride back and try not to drop it. Drop it in a mud puddle, it's pretty much over for this thing. It's kind of freaky, you know? It gives me a lot of anxiety, like hoping it doesn't crash, hoping it's still following me, all that stuff. Yeah, let's just go straight up. I'm trying to launching it kind of like right on the hip, if I can. Bye-bye. Let it kind of get up, start to climb more. That's so rad. Woo! That went pretty high there. Alright, so it should come back down where it started. It's descending right now. This thing's so cool. That probably used a lot of power though. Yeah, it used about a bar of its battery. They don't fly for very long, so you want multiple batteries. I wish they were at a point where I could just keep it on, like the GoPro, for like an hour or more. Nope, not yet. One day. And these guys are making updates to their software all the time, which is cool. Helps the drone fly better and gives you more features. Between these two things, between this bike and this drone, and this GoPro, China's making some cool stuff. Not to be all pro-China, but they're making some cool stuff. It's probably spying on me right now. Don't you spy on me. Bad drone. Let me see. There's a hover feature, right? Now, it'll be in hover mode, and it'll pretty much stay wherever I point it. I think. So let's just... It's got a pretty wide lens, so...
Continue. Hover.
Oh, don't put your finger in its way. It should just chill right here. I don't know where the top of the frame cuts off. I think the app has an image preview. I'll see if I have to use it. Woo! Almost dipped my nose there. So that's a pretty cool feature because you can like set it up for a shot, get the shot, and get the hell out of wherever you are. Good drone, don't spy on me. Don't do it. Check this out, it just folds up. It's got magnets to hold it together. Just a really, really cool thing that's probably spying on me. Alright, I just took a second to smack the shit out of this lip, and it feels like concrete now, which is what I want. Should be rock hard once it dries. That lip's a nice little sign. I even asked, I said please, like, please, let it dry. And then it'll probably last like a month or two. We can rip it up. I don't care if somebody hits my jumps, just, I don't know, just let it dry. It'll last longer. Alright, I'm gonna move on to this other lip over here that I made. See, right when my hands are full, that little drone would be perfect to get a shot. Some B-roll, you know? Some transition. Wow, even this is torn up. Whew. Oh man, I don't think there's any water around here. That's the lip right there. I need some agua. Alright, let's go see how busted up that lip is in reality. Maybe I won't need anything. Oh, somebody's been out here recently. I was out here just the other day, but you can tell they went over my tracks. The heck is that? Is that a crab? Why would there be a crab shell? Can't be a crab shell. Come on, brain. That's just from erosion from all the rain we had. Well, this is not bad. It's like a good consistency for shaping right now. I mean, it's not perfect, but whatever. Hell yeah, that's way better. Oh, that felt good, man. Yeah, so I was out here, and it seemed like some mountain bikers made like some little jumps. They kind of made like a makeshift downhill section, and it is actually really cool. See if it's still intact. Yeah. So it's cool. It's like a little launch. It's built up with asphalt from around here, and there's another lip right here. But it's pretty cool. Somebody is having fun out here. It's another one of those things that's like, who built this? And I love you. Yeah, no, it still looks good. Looks like I was the last person to hit it still. Just give it a kick. Yeah, it might hold up one more time. Ooh, that's scary. There's a drop at the end, it's so sick. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's such a cool section, man. Alright, where's the drone? Don't give up! Don't give up! Don't give up! No, the sand! Oh no. It wasn't out of battery either. Aw. Aw, why'd you gotta do that? Man. Probably my new favorite line out here. Can't say it enough. Whoever built it, you're in my heart. That drone is so sweet. I can't wait to really see what it's capable of. And to check these shots out. I don't even know if they're good. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. See you later.